Application for unskilled jobs might seem daunting, especially for most immigrants seeking to relocate to Canada. We are deeply concerned about the hunger and enthusiasm most of you display in your aim to immigrate and work in Canada. But how can you achieve this dream? The key is to secure a job first, as it boosts your chances of immigrating to Canada. Currently, there are over 300,000 unskilled job postings available in Canada, making it a promising opportunity for those without much experience or education. This video aims to show you the fastest and easiest way to secure unskilled jobs with a high acceptance rate. Many of you might wonder how to land a job in Canada effortlessly. Fear not, as this video will provide a step-by-step application procedure to help you realize your dream job in Canada. We curated this video specifically for our beloved subscribers, many of whom frequently ask us about applying for jobs and the lack of feedback from employers. This video ensures you understand more than just the basics of applying for jobs. It will be a comprehensive guide for landing unskilled jobs in Canada, even with little to no experience or education. Although our previous job videos included short clips demonstrating the application process on different job websites, this video will delve into the details of how to apply for these jobs and ultimately immigrate to Canada through a simple approach. You might be surprised to learn that immigrating to Canada as a low-skilled worker is easier than you think. The country's economy relies not only on businessmen but also on unskilled workers, who form the foundation of various industries such as trade, manufacturing, sales, services, and more. Jobs in these fields offer average yearly salaries ranging from $40,000 to about $120,000. As a permanent resident in Canada, foreign skilled workers enjoy numerous benefits, including access to outstanding universal health care, a healthy work-life balance, employee insurance, and paid leave days. Now, let's dive into the crucial part: how to apply for jobs in Canada. Before considering job applications, make sure to prepare your CV in Canadian Standard format, making it attractive and comprehensive. Next, visit any of the following 3 websites: jobbank.gc.ca, ca.indeed.com, and glassdoor.com. These websites provide daily job updates, but remember that not all jobs are available for international candidates. To filter the job listings suitable for international candidates, follow these steps on the Job Bank website. Log in, click the Advanced option, and access additional job settings such as the type of job, source, period of employment, remote work opportunities, years of experience, job benefits, and more. Under the Education and Training option, select the appropriate category that matches your educational background. Similarly, choose the appropriate years of experience, or select no experience if you lack relevant work experience. The most critical step is to select Canadians and international candidates under the Intended Applicants options. This will ensure you see jobs available for both Canadian citizens and international workers seeking employment in Canada. Once you have made all the selections, the page will automatically load, and you will have access to over 2,000 jobs available for foreign workers in Canada, ranging from various low-skilled occupations across all provinces. Don't forget to check the salary packages, job descriptions, summaries, and employment benefits before applying. Ensure the job you choose is still valid and active. Remember, applying for a job is not limited. The more applications you submit, the higher your chances of getting selected. These jobs are relatively easy to apply for, as the websites will directly refer you to the company's application page. As a bonus, let's explore the best programs for low-skilled workers to immigrate to Canada. The Temporary Foreign Worker Program allows Canadian employers to hire foreign workers when no Canadian or permanent residents are available for the position. Under this program, your employer will be responsible for certain aspects, including applying for an LMIA, Labor Market Impact Assessment, and assisting you in finding suitable accommodations. Another pathway is the Provincial Nominee Program, PNP, which includes popular options such as the Saskatchewan Immigrant Nominee Program, Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program, British Columbia Provincial Nominee Program, Alberta Immigrant Nominee Program, and Manitoba Provincial Nominee Program. Additionally, there's the Atlantic Immigration Pilot and the Agri-Food Immigration Pilot. Finally, there's the Express Entry System, which is a common online visa application pathway for various skilled workers. Make sure to watch our video on the best immigration pathways to Canada on our channel Move Abroad to stay informed about the latest updates for your immigration journey. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.